So next question is, what is transaction in Postgres, or what do you mean by the transactions or transaction? Okay, so a transaction in a Postgres is a sequence of database operations that are treated as a single logical unit. Okay, it ensures automaticity, consistency, isolation, relative properties, acid for the set of related database chains. Sorry. It allows multiple database operations to execute together, and if any part of the transaction fail, all the change made within the transaction can be rolled back, reversing data integrity. Okay. It can manage implicitly using the auto commit mode when each statement related to a separate transaction, and explicitly use begin and commit trans or rollback statement define transaction boundaries. So these are the TCL command: begin transaction, commit, and rollback. Okay, so these are the TCL commands. So I think hope you understand what is transaction in Postgres. Thank you.